Hello, Donna here. Welcome to my channel. Now today we're going to be making a feather cane. And here it is. You can see it. Now, I did not start this feather journey intending to make this particular cane. I actually wanted to make a feather with a shadow, set in white. Well, I actually made it and it was really wildly unsuccessful. And let me tell you why. The shadow is so dark, it competes with the actual feather cane, doesn't it? I mean, what are you supposed to look at? You have this very dark gray shadow, this dark gray feather shape, and then you have a detailed feather on top. Just doesn't work at all. This does not read as a shadow. It just reads as a competing element that, and not a very attractive one. So I took it to the bitter end anyway because I got that far. And then I proceeded to make really ugly little beads. I mean, that looks like a paddle. So I will keep these ugly little beads because they are a lesson for me. Don't do this again. Then I decided I would try again. And I made, let me get the actual cane. I made this cane. Oops, it's so long. Let me cut the end off and show you. Then I made this. And it is more successful. There's a cane, feather cane that I made with the leftovers from this cane. Then I made a little shadow, and this is a more successful shadow. I actually went to Google and I looked at pictures, which I did not do when I made this ugly cane. So it helped. But, you know, there's absolutely no contrast. Well, there is contrast, but it's minimal. I still think it works. These are the beads I made with that cane. And I'm not sure exactly it reads as a shadow, but I like it. At least it reads as another feather. Maybe a feather farther in the distance. But, you know, I actually like this cane very much. Then I decided to make this one because I wanted to increase the contrast. So that's what we're going to make today. We're going to make this little feather and it's going to be set in a black field. All right, so let's begin. First of all, I've got these three colors. These two, the white and this sort of ashy blue. These are the feather colors. And then this is actually a mix-up of a lot of the scraps I've been using. You see there's gold in this cane, the gold wrap around, and so it's white and this color and a whole bunch of other colors mixed together, but I think it will be a fine quill color. Okay, so I'm going to cut here and I will be back shortly.